Hello, welcome to the Canon Eos M50 Mark II review. There is a newer model of M50. Mark II is the new M50. Canon Eos M50 Mark II features include the following: 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, cropped 4K/25p video, updated autofocus. The Canon Eos M50 Mark II is a feature-rich camera by itself, but most of those specs are already available on the original Eos M50, with only a few added benefits to indicate it's an updated model. The M50 Mark II is identical to its predecessor, both internally and externally. What's new is all software-based and could be of great significance to up-and-coming content creators. There's the added benefit of eye-detect autofocus for both stills and video, and the ability to shoot vertical videos for social media platforms. Another advantage the M50 Mark II offers over the older camera is a new video recording button available on the touchscreen, and a movie self-timer that gives you between 2 to 10 seconds to prepare yourself before the camera starts to record. If you happen to have over 1,000 YouTube subscribers, the M52 will also allow you to wirelessly live stream to YouTube. While its video prowess looks good on paper, the M52 suffers from the same heavy 1.5x crop for 4K video as its predecessor, and also uses a slower phase detect autofocus system that can be an issue if you're recording fast-moving subjects. Although the camera's IAF isn't as fast as, say, the Canon EOS R6, it is quite good for a camera that's been labeled as an entry-level model and works well for stills and 1080p video. It's a bit hit and miss while shooting in 4K. For those interested in just stills photography, the M52 performs exactly the same as the older M50. It produces very good results, offers the same, and rather respectable, 10 fps burst speed, with good dynamic range and decent noise performance. So if you already own the EOS M50 and are a photographer, it's hard to recommend the Mark II, but for videographers, specifically content creators, who don't need fancy specs, the new model is worth considering. Put your passion in the spotlight. Whatever content you create, the EOS M50 Mark II gives you more ways to work plus stunning image quality that will set you apart from the crowd. With support for YouTube live streaming, vertical movies and a microphone input, you can tell your story with passion, whether you're shooting photos or movies, vlogging or streaming. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more reviews of new digital products and software on the market. Cheers.